leaves are kind of spindly looking for some reason. And it's just these. These over here look a lot. These over here look a lot better. That's some weird Japanese cucumber my wife got. The leaves don't look real healthy and strong. I'm not sure why, but these are a bush cucumber, and that's the best, most healthy cucumber I think I've ever seen. And then I got a volunteer from last year here. I know me, I won't be able to kill it. Cantaloupe. Zucchini. And more cantaloupe, different kind. Watermelons are starting to grow up, get going. Look real close. You'll see a little bit of corn coming up there. One there, got one there. I think there was another one somewhere. I don't see it now. Oh, there's a little speck poking up right there. We got some sweet corn coming up. The Roma tomatoes are looking good, especially this one for some reason. One looks so much better than the others. But they started out puny. They're doing real well. The peppers, I've already got peppers. I think it's this one here. Got a couple, yeah. Got a little pepper on there. So that's the garden update, I guess. I had an electrical issue with my charger. The deer broke down the fence and got in last night. Thankfully, he didn't eat my grapevine. It's finally getting up to the first branch of the arbor there where it can get a firm grip and solidify. I don't have to worry as much then. Look what he did to my black raspberry, my pride and joy, my favorite. The one I try the hardest to grow, and he just stripped it bare. I'm going to take up deer hunting. That's what I have to do. And right there are blueberries. That's a weed. Over there, this is a blueberry. That's a blueberry. They're still alive. They aren't growing real fast. And this is my other grape. That one over there is a green grape, planted it last year. This one is a Concord, planted it this spring. And he's starting to take off. I'm going to have to finish the arbor. Right now it's just 2 posts. But I got the game camera set up over here. Probably just took a picture of myself or two. But over there is where the deer have been coming in, up that trail from the lake. I want to get a picture of him when he meets the electric fence tonight. Get a good laugh at that. Need to figure out how to make the video work on that thing. And apple tree. Hey, thanks for watching. This is just a garden update. Spur of the moment. Wanted to show you how things are going. Been out here for a while. Oh, the pawpaws. Want to quickly show you the pawpaws. That's what this weird thing is, because they have to be grown in midday shade for the first year or two. Watered every day. There's my first pawpaw. He's really coming out. He's doing well. This one over here I was worried about, but now, as you can see, he's got him a couple little sprouts there, and a couple little sprouts there, a little sprout on there. When I bought them, they came in black plastic buckets. I don't know, you might be able to see them over there. Let me show you here. Those black plastic buckets right there, that's what they came in. And when I went to dump them out of the bucket to plant them, there was a bucket full of mulch and a bare root tree with a root the size of my pinky finger, and that was it. So I wasn't sure if those pawpaws were going to make it, but they've been in the ground for about a month and a half now, and they're growing leaves. That's a good sign. That's a real good sign. Once again, thanks a lot for watching. Please give us that thumbs up. We got some more videos coming. I think you'll enjoy it.